guys, this is my first time vlogging. I don't even know how to vlog. I don't know where to hold the camera or anything. But basically today I'm going to Wales. It's about 6:30. I'm headed out, gonna get there, camp in the car. I'll show you the setup real quick. So obviously I'm driving, got everything in the back. I'm in my pajamas, going to pick up my friend and gonna go cook up some steaks, climb Mount Snowdon. It's gonna be epic. So yeah. Alright guys, we picked up I just arrived. Setup is nasty. So we got our bed back here. It's a bit messy. It's a bit messy. We parked up on this random ass road. I don't know how much, but it's like completely like empty for like days. We've got everything stuffed in the front here. It's a nice little setup. Then round here we've got our Barbie set up. This is free parking until 8 AM, so we're gonna have to wake up early. Bed in the back. Got the Barbie set up here. Got a little light shining up there. So we're gonna cook our steaks on here. We've got our little camp chairs in. It's gonna be gas, bro. It's gonna be sick. Alright guys, we got the steaks cooking in there. Look at that, boys. We got nicely cooked steak. Alright guys, for you, those of you who don't know, it's my birthday today. So I've got some chocolate cake. So we got the setup in the back. I've just woken up. Look at where we've arrived, bro. It's actually a really nice area. We've got like a little there. I've had an absolute stinker and I've not bought a belt. So my strat is I'm gonna cut this thing out of my hoodie. Absolute W, bro. These have worked nicely. Bro. We're gonna go on a little walk just over here. There's a nice little river just there. Cool little rock. We're gonna have a walk over there and have a little look. Really nice views. One thing that's really important about like camping in these places or overnight, gotta make sure you don't leave no trace, so clean up after yourself. Yeah, this is really nice. Super peaceful. We found this like house thing. The next part of the challenge is just kind of figuring out where the hell we're actually going. I have no idea where we are. I don't even know where the mountain is. Like if you look around, like it could be any of these mountains. And we've literally just pulled over on the side of the road because we saw some other people doing it. Wish us luck, man. We're gonna get back in the car and we're gonna try and find somewhere better close. Oh yeah, I didn't even say we found this car park down there, and it's like £10 for the day. It's like it's not too bad. I got this Camelback with look, I hit myself. 2 litres of water in here. We're just taking a quick break to stretch because we realised it's probably a good idea. Stop any injuries because there's literally no service out here, like at all. Do not want to be rolling an ankle out here. Carhartt painter jeans. Got the Mercer jumper on. Got the cap and the skull cap underneath. It's like some data. We got some data, so I'm calling my friend Phoebe. I don't know if you can see that. Just took a couple pics. Points like this where you're just like, okay, it's a bath. Yeah, so got bacon and salami sandwich again. We're not at the top. The top is just there. We're quite close, about 10 minutes away or something. There's a train track up here. I didn't know that. Look at these views. These are nuts. Guys, we have made it to the top. Look at the views. Feeling good right now. I feel like I'm on Mount Chiliad. Low-key, I'm on an atomizer. Yeah, on the cliff. Looks sick as hell, man. Bit of an obscure observation here, but like everyone's just kind of like on their phones.
Yeah, like you, bro. You were on your phone this whole time. Now, literally, this guy's such a up at me. He was sitting here on his phone for like 15 minutes. I was like, get off your phone.
Bro, he's acting up for the camera, man.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be taking on top of Mount Snowdon.
Alright, we're just leaving the summit now. Just a little update, just did the most scenic piss of my life into a waterfall. pulled up at this like river area. Phone. 20% left on the camera, so I'm gonna head back to the car, but we'll just enjoy the views for now. Leaving the lake now, we've just set off. We are now heading to the car, straight to the car. We're gonna leave and we're gonna head to a beach where we're gonna cook up a fish. Made it back to the car park now. We're gonna drive to a beach now. Made it to the beach. We found a really nice spot, like in all these rocks. And there's just like a bit of like beach in the middle of all of it. We've got the barbecue set up here. I'm gonna just sit on this rock, it's really convenient. Guys, here's our fish. It's smoking, it's getting hot. I turned the fish review. It's quite nice actually. You know what, that's nice. Fish. Really looking forward to getting in the sea because I need to replenish my hair. Oh, oh, oh my god! No, I can't I can't feel my feet anymore. I actually can't. Ah. It's so cold! Oh, I fell! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I don't really feel like I missed out on anything.
I don't think you missed out on anything, mate. That, in all seriousness, was one of the worst experiences of my entire life. Post game review, I can't feel a single bit of my hands or toes. I'm freezing, guys. Probably. I don't feel replenished. I don't feel like I've just done a nice healthy cold plunge. I feel awful. I feel like I'm actually no. Now I'm warming up. I feel quite good. My mood has completely changed all of a sudden. I actually feel quite fine now that I'm not in that treacherous ocean. Yeah, just like done the sea thing. It was horrible. I'm going to now dry and go home. So yeah, but we're gonna watch the sunset first. So stay tuned for that. I just washed my feet in that pool. I don't know, this pool. And as you can see, I've got my boots on now. Yeah man, I'm pretty happy. It's like the end of the trip. I'm gonna drive home and get home around midnight. Yeah. Alright guys, we have officially packed up. I've just pumped up all the tyres that need pumping. Got the sat ready, got my water. Sunset's still nice as hell. It's all pink. It's gonna be a nice little scenic drive home until it's for about half an hour until it's all ready. Anyways, I'm gonna power through home. Got a Red Bull and some snacks. Yeah. Okay, it is the next day and I woke up at 12 o'clock. I've showered, I got changed. I'm going to London soon. And I'm just gonna talk about like how much the whole trip cost and like more of the analytics. So if you care about that, stay. If you don't, yeah. The fuel cost £80. Bearing in mind I was driving a 2-litre diesel car. It's quite economic. I did the whole thing on around 47 mpg, which I know isn't as good as it probably could be at like 55, but I wanted to drive a little bit like it's more time efficient, let's say. Food was £44. Parking for the day was £10, which is like fine. Overnight parking didn't cost anything because we left before 8 AM and the parking where we parked was only in regulation 6 PM to 8 AM. We woke up at around 7 because we wanted to get our breakfast done. We wanted to get out of the area so we wouldn't have to pay for parking and stuff. We ended up actually staying until about 9 AM, but obviously if we saw someone coming with like a ticket inspecting or something, we would have just left. At 4:30 we went to a beach. We went to a beach called Harleach Beach. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's Welsh. I don't know. It was about an hour from the 50 minutes from Mount Snowdon. I worked out everything on this sheet. For the whole trip, everything included, it was £154, split between two, £77 each. So that's calm. And yeah, really great experience. I'd 100% recommend it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my first vlog ever. My first everything. I don't even know really what to say on this outro. I highly recommend the trip. I had an absolutely great time. Obviously, we got extremely lucky with the weather. We've gone, it was 31st of March we went. Great weather. I mean, obviously it changes every year, so it doesn't really matter. But great experience. I really, really enjoyed it. £154, £77 each. I would spend that every single time to do a trip like that. That was incredible. The beach was great. The weather was amazing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So,